Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones SOUNDCORE P30i. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case. Now we should have not connected here, and after that remove it from the charging case and check, maybe it help with this problem. But if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold both of the headphones for at least 10 seconds. Cool. Now, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device? Forget device. Also, if you have Android, click Pair New Device. And then click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!